Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports, the angel of death was sent to Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam. When he appeared before him, he smashed in his eye. So he returned to his Lord and said, "You have sent me to you such a bondsman as does not want to die." Allah Jalla Jalaluhu healed up his eye and said, "Ask him to place the hand on the back of a bull. There will be 1 year more to live, in lieu of every hair covered by the hand." He said, "What will happen then, O Lord?" He said, "Then there will be death." He said, "Then it may happen right now." And he thereafter implored Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to bring him up to just a stone's throw from the sacred land. The reporter said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Had I been there, I would have shown you his grave that is on a red knoll away from the path." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1339.